Experience Dubai for 4 nights, 5 days with 3-star, 4-star and 5-star properties. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Important note before you travel. Take a COVID-19 PCR test. All passengers traveling to Dubai from any destination, including passengers connecting in Dubai from specific countries, must have a printed negative COVID-19 PCR test certificates in English or Arabic to be accepted on the flight. The test must be taken a maximum of 96 hours before departure. The certificate must be for voluntary chain reaction test. The other test certificates including antibody tests and home testing kits are not accepted in Dubai. Bring an official printed certificate to take it. SMS and digital certificates are not accepted. Without a printed negative test certificate, you will not be accepted on the flight. Thank you. Friends, a city of many faces, Dubai is one of the most famous for tourist destinations. Let us introduce some famous attractions of Dubai for the first time visitors. Dhow Cruise with dinner. Cruising down Dubai Creek is a novel experience, one which you cannot miss when in Dubai. The charming city of lights into two commercial districts, Dubai Creek epitomizes the city's personality. The view of city is intertwining of traditional and modern architect culture. On Tokyo's International Buffet dinner will be served with soft drink in the silence along with Dubai Creek. Next up, city tour and evening desert safari. The tour includes Dubai Museum, 7-star hotel, Burj Khalifa, the Palm Island, the crescent-shaped man-made island with magnificent Atlantis Hotel at its top. The journey ends with a ride through Sheikh Zayed Road that has imposing skyscrapers lined on its either sides, and a shopping at one of the city's prominent shopping malls. In the evening, take a thrilling ride through the desert. Relish authentic Arabic cuisine, be spellbound by the enthralling performances by exotic dancers. Trip to desert is full of fun and adventure. Next up, Dubai Mall and top of Burj Khalifa. Transfer to Dubai Mall, one of the largest mall in the world and home to over 1200 stores. Later proceed to top of Burj Khalifa, world's tallest tower. You will be taken to the 24th floor observation deck at Burj Khalifa, from where you can admire prominent view entire Dubai. Spend half an hour at the top and then come down at 7 p.m. Watch the Dubai fountain come alive. There is a 10-minute show every 20 minutes and it's lovely to watch the largest fountain in the world. Now the last topic. You can visit Dera City Center or Marina Bazaar, where you can get branded items at reasonable prices. Wafi Mall, where you can again shop and have some good dining experiences. Later in the afternoon, go to Dubai Marina and spend time at the workshops close to the beach and is buzzing with activities and people. Spend a few hours at Dubai Marina. You can also have dinner there. Many more activities you can visit on your own, like Ferrari World, skydiving, Wild Wadi water parks, Miracle Garden, Dubai Frames, IMG World, Dubai Dolphinarium, etc. Visit our website for latest deals and also customize your package on your own. Links are in description. Thank you.